So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to your web browser, and then once we're here, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, then you want to click on history, and then click on history again. And then once you're on this, you want to select delete browsing data. Make sure that you have the time range set to all time, then you want to select cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Select both of these, and then click on delete data. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the ChatGPT website, and then once you're on this, if you look in the top right here where it says chatgpt.com, you just want to click next to it right here. Now you want to select cookies and site data, click on manage on-device site data, delete everything that comes up here. Close out both of these and then click on done. Now you want to select this again and then click on site settings. Now once we're here, you want to select delete data and then click on delete. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, you want to double click on it and then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you want to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888 and you're going to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. And then once you do all of that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to check out the status of ChatGPT. It might just be down right now. If it says all systems operational, it means that it's not down, but if it is down, this will probably be red right now and it will say that ChatGPT is down. In that case, you just want to wait for it to come back up.